But the moments of fun were brief. Then it was back to the open sea and the dangers of convoy escort duty. The Mason's men led the way. As a young sailor, Martin Davis made 6 trips to Derry. Now a naval historian and a leading authority on the role of the destroyer escort ships in World War II, Davis returned to Derry, which had been the command center for the destroyer escort. Here the anti-submarine role was plotted.
Particularly in the latter part of the war, to seek out these vessels rather than just defend the merchant ships we were then going after the submarines.
The greatest victory of the hunter-killer group came when the task force attached to the carrier Guadalcanal captured the German U-505. Throughout the war, the Navy desperately wanted to capture a German U-boat and learn its secrets.